Hello everyone, this is Toyota Camry 2016. We have one used damaged key. It works remote function. This is new cut key and we need to program this remote for this vehicle. Let's begin. Ignition on, immobilizer. We also need internet Wi-Fi connection. Toyota automatic selection. Read VIN number. Read VIN succeeded. Control unit, remote system, LAN remote. When the function disabled, beep. Okay. Locate, unlock, simultaneously, and okay. 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 Learning succeeded. Let's check. We need ignition and remove the damaged. Let's check. Let's check trunk button. Also opened. Let's check panic if work. Yes. And let's check last start vehicle. Everything works. Thanks Autel, and thanks for watching.